Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, I'll explain who pays for repairs in Japan, the landlord or the tenant.
In Japan, repair responsibility is often different from other countries. In general, landlords take more responsibility than many people expect. First, landlord responsibility. As a basic rule, equipment that is originally provided with the property is usually the landlord's responsibility. This includes things like the kitchen, bathroom, toilet, and air conditioner if it is already installed. It also includes water heaters, plumbing issues, and even parts of the building such as the roof or exterior. In other words, essential living equipment is typically the landlord's responsibility. Second, tenant responsibility. Tenants are usually responsible for small items and daily maintenance. This includes things like light bulbs, batteries, and simple cleaning. Minor items such as rubber seals and faucets may also be the tenant's responsibility. Damage caused by misuse is also paid by the tenant. Third, what surprises many foreigners? Many people are surprised that so many repairs are covered by the landlord. In some countries, tenants are responsible for more repairs. But in Japan, properties are often rented with equipment included. Finally, an important note. Responsibility can vary depending on the contract. Items classified as existing items may not be covered. Also, damage caused intentionally or by negligence is usually the tenant's responsibility. Overall, in Japan, landlords take more responsibility than you might expect.
To learn more about property in Fukuoka, please check the link below.